Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is electricity. Question number 1. How the charge will flow? Option A. By heating them. Option B. By applying potential difference. Option C. Both. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. By applying potential difference, charge fill will flow if and only if potential difference is applied. Question number 2. If length of a conductor and its radius is increased twice, how the resistance will change? Option A. Resistance will remain unchanged. Option B. Resistance increases twice. Option C. Resistance will become half. Option D. Resistance will increase 4 times. The correct answer is option C. Resistance will become half, since length is twice radius is increased twice. Therefore we can say that radius is halved. Question number 3. The potential difference applied is directly proportional to current only if option A. Always. Option B. Never. Option C. Sometimes. Option D. When temperature is constant. The correct answer is option D. When temperature is constant. According to OHM's law, the potential difference is directly proportional to current if temperature is constant. Question number 4. Equivalent resistance of 4 ohms resistances in parallel is option A. 4 ohms. Option B. 1 ohm. Option C. 2 ohms. Option D. 16 ohms. The correct answer is option B. 1 ohm. The equivalent resistance R of 4 ohms resistance in parallel is given as. Question number 5. Which of the following conditions represent more resistance at constant temp? Option A. The red line. Option B. The yellow line. Option C. Both are equal. Option D. Can't be said. The correct answer is option A. The red line, since V equals I dot R. By the OHM's law, I equals V/R, so slope of the graph is 1/R. More the slope more the value of 1/R, and hence less the value of R and vice versa. The slope of red line is less than yellow, therefore red line will have more resistance. Question number 6. There is a wire of length L and cross-section A. Which of the following have least resistance? Option A. Length doubled, area halved. Option B. Length tripled, area doubled. Option C. Length halved, area doubled. Option D. The original wire. The correct answer is option C. Length halved, area doubled, since resistance increases with length and decreases with cross-sectional area. Question number 7. On which of the following parameters specific resistance depends? Option A. Length of wire. Option B. Area of wire. Option C. Current passing through it. Option D. Temperature. The correct answer is option D. Temperature. The specific resistance or the resistivity depends only upon the temperature and the type of material used. Question number 8. A resistor of length L is connected to a battery and current I is flowing through it. If it is divided into 3 parts by length, and all are having same cross-sectional area are connected in series with the same battery, the current flowing through them will be option A. I/3. Option B. 3I. Option C, I. Option D, 3I/2. The correct answer is option C, I. Net resistance will be same as the previous case because the net length and cross-sectional area will not change. Question number 9. Which of the following statement is true regarding ammeter and voltmeter? Option A. Ammeter is connected in series with the required device, voltmeter in parallel. Option B. Both ammeter and voltmeter are connected in series with required device. Option C. The voltmeter is connected in series with the device, ammeter in parallel. Option D. They can be connected in any way. The correct answer is option A. Ammeter is connected in series with the required device, voltmeter in parallel. Ammeter is connected in series with the required device, voltmeter in parallel. Question number 10. Which of the following is true regarding ammeter and voltmeter? Option A. Ideal ammeter is having infinite resistance. Option B. Ideal voltmeter is having zero resistance. Option C. Ideal voltmeter is having infinite resistance. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Ideal voltmeter is having infinite resistance. Since the voltmeter is connected in series with the required device, no current should pass through it to have exact calculation of potential difference. Question number 11. A resistance of 3 ohms is connected in series with 5 ohms. This connection is kept in parallel with a 8 ohms resistance. The current in 5 ohms resistance if 24 volts potential difference is applied is option A, 3A, option B, 2.5A, option C, 4A, option D, 2A. The correct answer is option A, 3A. On solving we will get equivalent resistance across the battery be 4 ohms, and current through 8 ohms and 5 ohms, 3 ohms. Combination will be equal as the equivalent resistance of the each branch is same, that is 8 ohms. Hence current in each branch 24 volts/8 ohms equals 3A. Question number 12. Consider the previous case, Q12. If there is a switch in series with 8 ohms resistance and the switch is open, now the current through 5 ohms is option A, 2A, option B, 3A, option C, 4A, option D, 2.5A. The correct answer is option D, 2.5A. Now also the current be 3A, as the equivalent resistance is 8 ohms, voltage 24 volts, current 24 volts /8 ohms equals 3A. Question number 13. The equivalent resistance between A and B is option A, 1.67 ohms, option B, 1.34 ohms, option C, 2.67 ohms, option D, 2 ohms. The correct answer is option A, 1.67 ohms. Rearranging the resistors as the equivalent resistance can now be easily calculated. 2 ohms is in parallel to the series combination of 3 ohms, 5 ohms and 2 ohm. Equivalent resistance of series combination is 10 ohms, which is in parallel with 2 ohms resistor. Net equivalent resistance will be R. Then 1/R equals half an ohm plus 1/10 of an ohm. R equals 10 times 2. 10 plus 2 ohm equals 20/12 of an ohm equals 1.67. Question number 14. While wiring of electricity is done in your new home, how will you arrange the bulb and fan? Option A, in series. Option B, in parallel. Option C, A or B. Option D, none. The correct answer is option B. In parallel, appliances are connected in parallel. Question number 15. Which of the following can be used for making insulation over wire? Option A. Plastic. Option B. Copper. Option C. Iron. Option D. Silver. The correct answer is option A. Plastic. Plastic is used to make switches as it is insulator. Rest options are conductors. Question number 16. Which of the following is true about resistivity? Option A. It is resistance of a conductor at a specific condition. Option B. It does depend upon temperature. Option C. It does not change when the conductor is resized. Option D. All are true. The correct answer is option D. All are true. All are truly said about resistivity. Question number 17. If 400 joules of heat is produced by a resistor of 4 ohms in 4 seconds, find potential difference across the resistor. Option A. 10 V. Option B. 20 V. Option C. 5 volts. Option D. 15 volts. The correct answer is option B. 20 V. H equals V2/RT 400J equals V2/4 ohms times 4 V2 equals 400 V equals 20 volts. Question number 18. If a wire having resistivity ρ is cut in 4 pieces, the resistivity of each piece will be _ if temperature has been kept constant. Option A. P/4. Option B. 4P. Option C. P. Option D. P/2. The correct answer is option C. P. The resistivity do not changes with change in shape. It is function of material and temperature. Question number 19. What is work done in bringing positive 2 coulomb of charge from point A to B? Given potential difference both points is 10 volts. Option A. 20 joules. Option B. 15 joules. Option C. 10 joules. Option D. 5 joule. The correct answer is option A. 20 joules. Work done equals QV equals 2 coulomb times 10 volts equals 2 OJ. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.